Good morning, dear children, and welcome back to English class, dear children. Dear children, today we are going to solve this worksheet. Many of you have received this worksheet in an envelope. Yes, children. If the students, those who did not receive the worksheet, they will receive within 1 or 2 days, children. So you have to solve the worksheet by your own children, and afterwards you have to check the answers with the video which I am sending you today, children. So this is the worksheet, children, which is based on small cursive writing. We have already studied all the small letters of cursive from A to Z. Is it, children? So these are the letters. This is a worksheet which is based on the small cursive letters, children. You will receive this worksheet packet. Many of you have received. Those who did not receive, children, they will receive within 1 or 2 days. Then you have to solve this worksheet with pencil, children, and you have to check the answers through the video which I am sending you today, children. So we will start solving the worksheet, children. Here, children, it is written standard. Here section, your section is, children, B, so you will write B in capital. Afterwards your name. Suppose, children, I am writing my name, so you will write your name, children, your father's name in middle, children, and your surname, children. And roll number, up till now you did not receive the roll number, children, so there is no need to write, and date is already written in the worksheet, children. Now the first question of the worksheet, English worksheet, is, children, trace the small cursive alphabet. Trace. Already in this box, children, all the letters, small cursive letters are written, children. From A to Z, all the things are written, children. So you have to trace them. What is the meaning of trace? Whatever it is written, you have to make it little bit dark with a pencil, and you will get a practice of how to write the letters in cursive from A to Z. So we will start tracing the letters, children. You have to take a slant, children. A letter is there which is written in between the middle two lines, children. How many 4-line copy is there? This is a 4-line copy, children. In middle two lines A letter is written, children. So trace it, take a slant, children. Come to second line, children. Take a right curve, children. Join this curve and again come back to make letter A, children. Then B is written in between 3 lines, children. So come from the third line, children. Come to the first line. Make a loop, children. Come back to third line, children. Give a curve, children, and again make a small loop, children. So this is letter B, children. Now for C letter, children, it is in between the 2 lines. So you have to trace like this and make a small curve, children. Again take a slant, children. Come back to second line. Take a right curve, children. Go up to the first line, children. Again come back and come to third line, children. Again go. For E letter is written in between the 2 lines, children. Take a slant, children. Make a small loop, children, and take a small right curve, children. Then for letter F, children, letter F is written in between the 3 lines, children. Take a slant, children. Make a small loop, children, on the first line. Come back, children, down. Make a small loop. Take a right curve, again make a small loop, children. Now we will write letter G, children. G letter is letter written in between the 3 lines, children. Take a slant, children. Come back to second line, children. Take a right curve, children. Again come back to fourth line, children. Again make a small loop, children. Then H letter is written in between the 3 lines, children. Take a slant, children. Come back to the first line, children. Make a small loop. Again come back on third line. Make a curve, children, and again take a slant, children. So this is H letter. Then I is written in between the two lines, children. So like this you have to go for tracing, children. Now I will do the tracing only. Then again another question is also there in the worksheet, children. We have to solve that question also. Now for K also take a small loop, children. Then again make a small loop on second line. Again come down and take a slant, children. Then go for letter L, children. Take a loop, children. Again come back on the third line, children. Then for letter M, children. M letter. Now for M letter take a slant, children. Make one small curve, children. Again one curve, children. Again make a slant, children. Again small slant, children. Here in N letter there is only one curve, children. Then for letter O take a slant, children. Come to the right curve. Complete the right curve and take a small loop, children. For letter P take a slant. Come back to third line, children. Go back to the second line. Take a small curve, children. Then for letter Q take a slant. Again take a round, children. Again come down and take one right side slanting line. R letter take a slant, children. Make a small loop, children. Again come back on the same second line. Take a small right side curve, children. Then for letter S, children. S letter take a slant, children. Make a small loop. Come back to third line like this. Then for letter T, again go up. Take a small loop. Come back to third line. Make small one line in between the loop, children. For U again same thing will take a right curve, children. Then V take a slant. Draw one line. Come back to third line. Go up. Take a small loop, children. Right curve, children. For W like this you have to write, children. Then for X left curve, children, and for again right curve, children. Again for Y slant right side, take a small loop, children. Again for Z, children, take a slanting one curve, children. Again second curve, children, then again take a loop. So this is the first question of tracing, children. Now we will solve the second question, children. In question number 2 in the worksheet, children, the same worksheet you will receive in the packet, children, and you have to solve the worksheet. If you don't know how, first you solve the worksheet on your own, children. Then after solving you have to check the answers through this video, children. Now children, here we have to write the letters from A to Z. So we will start writing the letters from A to Z, children. Now A letter is written in between the two lines, children. Take a slant, children. Make a small curve, children, and write letter A, children. Then B is written in between the first three lines, children. Take a small loop, children. Come back to second line, children. Again take a small loop, children. Then letter C, children. Like this letter C is written, children. Then letter D, children. You have to write letter D like this, children. Then letter E, children, is written in between the two lines, children. Then letter F. Then letter G, children. Letter G is written in between the last three lines, children. So you have to go likewise, children. Then letter H is written in between the three lines, children. Then I letter, children, is written in between the two lines. Then letter J is written in between the last three lines, children. Then letter K is written in between the first three lines, children. Like this you have to write. Then take a small loop, children. Again come back to third line. Then letter L you have to write, children, like this. Then letter I, J, K, L, M. M is written in between the two lines, children. Keep in mind what you have to write. Keep in mind. Then letter N, children, you have to write. Then letter O, children, you have to write. After O, P, children, you have to write. Then letter Q, you have to write like this. Then letter R is written in between the middle two lines, children. Then letter S is also written again in between the two lines, children. After S, T is written in between the first three lines, children. After T, U you have to write, children, like this. Then letter V is also written again in between the two lines, children. W, there are two curves in W, children. First curve, second curve, then again a small loop, children. X is having, first take a slant, children. First curve, children. Again come back and draw second curve, children. Then for Y, Y is written in between the last three lines, children. Like this you have to write Y letter, children, and letter Z, children. So you have to solve this worksheet and check the answers through the worksheet through this video, children. Did you understand, children? This is all about today's video. So till then, thank you, children. Bye bye, children.